What is up, YouTube? This is your man Pips Pay For It, and I'm back with another video. Appreciate every single person in my channel. Appreciate all of you. I try to provide as much value as possible. This is a quick video regarding a brand new platform that I just came about called Mainnet. This is an excellent opportunity for you to make some passive income with your money online using a Forex robot. This is 100% automated. You do not need any experience. This is low entry level. This is really user friendly. This is a quick onboarding introductory video on Mainnet and how you could get started. So without further ado, pay attention to this video. So how you could get started, all the links are in the description below. Please join the Telegram group. Use my link to register and be a part of my team. I will give out personal giveaways and bonuses to everybody in my team based on USD TRC20. So if you're into that kind of stuff, please join and use my link. Subscribe, like this video, share this video with all your trader friends and investors, and let's get to it. Peace.
Let's talk about Mainnet. What is Mainnet? Who is behind Mainnet? And what can we expect of it? Basically, Mainnet is an innovative fintech company who are specialized on trading. They did crypto trading before, and right now their main focus is the Forex market. The main important thing with these projects is always who is behind the project. The CEO and founder of Mainnet is Cyprian Sikeo. I hope I spell his name right. And Cyprian lives in Belgium and was born in Romania. A business partner of me who also lives in Belgium and who I work with since about 6 years knows this guy personally, met him several times, and also told me that this is not an actor or something. This is a real person with a real background. But I made a small check on the background, so let's take a look. If you put the name of this guy into Google, then you get a lot of results. You see his Instagram pages, you see the companies that he already did, and a lot of background information. So I checked a few of them. For example, this guy is a trading coach on the platform Be a Trader Trading Academy. Here you can book his trading coaching, and you see some information about his course, who he's working with, and so on. Also, I found out that this guy created another company which is called Betra, and it's a kind of a coin and a payment platform. This company is registered in Estonia. They have a wallet license, exchange license. So we see that this guy is an entrepreneur who is working already many years in this business and started already a couple of companies. I also wanted to check if these companies are artificially made for creating a background story or something. So we checked the website from Be a Trader, for example beatrader.ro, and we can check this on who is. And we will see that this site is existing already since 2018, so already quite a while. Also, beatrader.ro launched their own coin, their own blockchain business, which is called the Betra, and I also looked it up in who is betrapay.ro. It's a Romanian domain, and it was also started in 2019. So it seems like that Cyprian is a well-known entrepreneur, not an actor or something, and has a big background in crypto and Forex trading. This is the most important thing with these projects, because we trust our money to this project and we need a real person in the background who we can talk to, who we can ask questions, and who knows what he is doing. Here's also some written background story about the CEO. You can pause the video here and read it by yourself. So what is Mainnet selling? What is the product? The product is a Forex AI and basically Forex trading services. Here we can see some track records from the past performance. Actually, you will see that with this trading they made around 29% per month in average since over 2 years, and they had a drawdown of 11.26%, which is quite impressive. Here you have another track record where we are at 30% per month and a drawdown around 6.8%. But I got also other track records from them where the results are a little bit lower, but all in one it seems quite realistic. You can get also access to my Fixbox pages. You can find it in my Telegram group. Just click on the link in the video description. There you will see the link to my Telegram group. So what do we purchase here? We can purchase a software license package which provides us completely passive income. The license package generates a passive income up to 0.75% daily, up to 3.75% weekly, and up to 15% monthly income. But this income can be compounded, so if you let it in the account and you not withdraw it, you can reach an ROI up to 400% per year. Here's an example with a $1,000 license package. For example, if you buy a $1,000 license package and you are not withdrawing for a year and the company reaches the 15% per month target, you have a compound result every month. So after the first month you will have $150, after 2 months $322, and so on, and after 12 months you will reach $4,320, which you can withdraw. But you can withdraw the earnings every day, anytime, and if you withdraw once per month you will reach an ROI of 180% per year. But the earnings are paid daily, and you can every day withdraw every profit. So what are the software licenses that you can buy? Basically it starts from $25. So if you buy this package, you get the percentage on $25. If you buy $500 package, you get the percentage on the $500, and so on, and this keeps going until $50,000. This is the most expensive package. When you buy this, you get the profit on the $50,000. Here is another interesting thing. If you have like big investors, big whales who can deposit over 100,000, then you can choose a broker that you want to work with. So the client chooses his own broker, make an own account, makes an own trading account on this broker, and the company trades directly on the broker account of the client. But this is only possible from an amount of 100k plus. This is also a proof that they are really trading, because you will have on your personal account the same trading that the funds are traded here, the smaller one from $25 to 50k. So that's very nice to have a passive income from investing, but this company offers also a marketing plan to generate even more profits. So you can invite friends and people into this business and participate on their profits also. And I must say, this marketing plan is really strong. You have two income types. The first income type is the residual bonus. That means 30% of all generated profits are distributed in unilevel on 10 levels. That means if I sign up a partner and he is purchasing a software license and he gets profits on the software license, I get 6% of his profits. In the second line I get 4.5%, and so on until the 10th level, where I earn also in the 10th level 1.5% on the profits of my partners. This is a nice to have. This is a really nice passive income from your partners. But the big income, this is the next bonus. The big one is this one. This is the unilevel and the leadership bonus. So we have ranks here that you can reach. These ranks depend on the turnover of your downline. For example, if you have $1,500 turnover in your complete downline, you get the rank Pearl. Every rank has an own percentage, and this system works with a percentage difference bonus. This percentage defines the commission that you instantly get on the licenses that your team purchase. For example, If you have the rank Ruby and you have already $7,500 turnover, and someone new joins your team and buys a package, you get 10% commission on his license. I make an example. If I'm Ruby and I sign up a new partner, and the new partner buys a $1,000 license, then I get immediately $100, so 10%. This is also a bonus differential system. What does this mean? If I'm, for example, Diamond and one in my downline reach the rank Sapphire, then I have a differential percentage of 4%. So 13 minus 9, it's 4%. So I earn of this guy's downline the difference between us to the infinite depth. So I earn 4% on all his downline. When I'm reaching ranks, I get also one-time bonuses. So even if you have only $100 turnover in the first rank, when you reach Jade, you get already a $5 bonus. And this goes up to $1.5 million one-time bonus. Also, the company provides, next to the bonuses, physical gifts like iPhone, iPad, luxury trip, Rolex, Mercedes, BMW, Ferrari, and a Dubai apartment. So here are many goals to reach, a lot of work to do, but this is a very, very strong marketing plan.
So that's a brief description on Mainnet, how it works. Hopefully you enjoyed all that brief description. I tried to do it by myself, but I couldn't quite get it perfect. So hopefully you like the narrator. But yeah, this is an excellent opportunity, guys. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to contact me directly in the Telegram. Join the Telegram group where everybody's talking about this great opportunity, so you could get more information. You can see pictures, you can see videos, you can see the presentation PDF, you can see proof, you can see everything you need to know, and you could get everything you need to know based on the Telegram group. So please join. Hey, this is a low entry level with $25. You could try it yourself, withdraw, you can see how it works, and I'm pretty sure you will be impressed. So appreciate your attention, and yeah, let's make this money, guys. Enjoy Mainnet. Take care now.